Hello everyone and welcome to BitRegion. I am Raymo Banag, a member of BitRegion, and I live in the Philippines. I joined BitRegion in July 5, 2016 and I upgraded 3 weeks later. For us, in order to use the full benefits of BitRegion, we must upgrade first into immigrant status by donating 0.15 BTC to our upline. Meanwhile, BitRegion is a community of people, and this is a hybrid system platform where crowdfunding and mutual aid funds are joined together. Through crowdfunding, we are using a network matrix system where you can upgrade your account into immigrant and invite 3 people, upgrade them, and so on, upgrade to the higher position and receive a lot more donation from your downline. By upgrading to being an immigrant to a higher status, you can able to provide help through the Region Bank, which earns a dividend of 0.5% per day and to 1% per day when your provide help has been confirmed. BitRegion is a very nice platform because it focuses in Bitcoin wealth and more on educating people into Bitcoin. So through knowing what is Bitcoin, we were able to multiply more of Bitcoin using this BitRegion platform. So after joining BitRegion, I was able to provide helps using the microbank system last August 7, 2010, 0.5 BTC. 0.5 BTC, yes. And after 20 days, I tried to get help to try the system, and it really works. I first get the 0.5 BTC because it's the maximum in BitRegion, and now I also getting help the 0.1 BTC through the use of the micro passport. I purchased the micro passport amounting to 0.01 BTC per transaction. Passport are used in Region Bank as well as in Microbank, but it's a term in micro password. But today, I am providing help 0.10 BTC in the Region Bank, and later on, I will also provide help this in using the Region Bank system. But before we can provide help or get help, we must use a passport amounting to 0.05 BTC. Yes, that's the one. Passport. Okay. So people, join my referral link using this Dupiken. https://bitregion.com/Dupiken and develop your Bitcoin through BitRegion. This is a very transparent and sustainable program. Let's keep our hands together in this platform, and together we will be successful. Thank you and good luck to all of us, and more power BitRegion.